And we are back with a new video in the series Let's Make an RPG, a stylized RPG in Unreal Engine. So in today's video we will be doing this character, which is one of the main characters of the game. His name is Eli, and today is all about making the character in 3D. The design, we did it in the previous video. For the 3D we will do the 3D, the rigging, and importing it to test in Unreal Engine in one video, not the texturing. Texturing will be for later on because it's its own beast. I think for texturing I will also be using Yuku Paint for texturing the character, and probably in Unreal Engine some parts, for example the fabric here, I can use a normal map in order to bring in some details, like different normal maps. Or maybe what I will be doing instead is having a big normal map, which is like a, how do we call them again, trim sheet, a trim sheet normal map that will be applied in different areas. Like fabric here, I can have a different normal map for it, same with this fabric here, same with the leather shoes, and even the skin, all like the entire normal map. We can have a normal map separated in a bunch, or like different normal maps that can be used in different parts of the material. So we will test all of that in the next video. In this video it will be all about the modeling, importing in Unreal, and also UVs. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Alrighty guys, we are done with this one. I just imported the character in Unreal Engine and look at what we have here. Lovely little character. I also did a small setup just to test what it will look like while playing. So this is the character. I put the use animation preset and I'm using the jog forward. Let's try it and see. Yeah, it looks nice. The weight painting is not too bad. You can see that on the belt it's moving too much, which is not natural. It's supposed to be leather and a belt. So when the character is running, the belt should be a little bit more rigid, which means I need to reduce the influence of the weight painting on that area, on the belt. Let's try to move him while jogging. Yeah, really nice. Let's see if I use the normal one. Okay, unarmed, compile, save, and play. Fantastic. Yay. Yeah, it's really not too bad. I like it. The result is pretty nice. The character looks like a young boy. In our next video, I will be doing the painting, so I will do hair first and the other small elements. Actually, let me show you. Here is the character sheet. So this is the character sheet of our hero, Eli. And right now the character is done. I need to paint, of course. To do more painting, I need to do proper hair. And this one as well, the accessories. I haven't modeled the accessories yet. All of that will be done, actually. Maybe not all of it. Let's say most of it will be done in the next video. But by the end of this little series of modeling the main character, one of the main characters, what I want to do, like the goal is to have a finished character, and then afterwards I'll move on to doing side characters like NPCs and things like that. Those should be a little bit easier to handle, especially because they will not have as many things as the main characters will have, and also they will not be running or doing some strange movement, which means the weight painting will be a little bit less taxing, and I can go basically making mistakes will be kind of okay. Not big mistakes, just small mistakes will be kind of okay, which is not really the case with main characters, because everything has to be very well done and meticulous, so that people don't notice those errors and feel off about it, the players. And with that, we will be ending this episode or this video. I hope you guys liked it, and until then, cheers guys. Let's do a jump. Yay!